Welcome to this video on Lac Caninum, presented by Homeo Coach. Lac Caninum is also known as dog's milk. Key symptoms include erratic pains that alternate sides, with the side affinity extending from left to right and settling back to the left. Guiding symptoms include the erratic nature of symptoms, forgetfulness, and absent-mindedness in the mind. Other symptoms involve a delusion of snakes, alternating coryza, and a shining, glazed appearance in diphtheria. The mind symptoms are characterized by being very forgetful and absent-minded, with an inability to concentrate. Patients can be despondent, hopeless, and experience a chronic blue condition, along with the delusion of snakes. Additional mental symptoms include irritability, fear of being alone, dying or becoming insane, and attacks of rage. When walking, there's a sensation of walking on air. For the nose, symptoms include coryza with a thick white, acrid discharge, sore bones of the nose, and a remarkable alternation where one nostril is stuffed while the other is free and discharging. Throat issues, like diphtheria and tonsillitis, show symptoms repeatedly changing from side to side. Sore throats can begin and end with menstruation. The throat is sensitive to touch and shows a shining, pearly white deposit. Female symptoms include menses that are too early and profuse, with bright red, stringy flow. Breasts are swollen, painful, and sensitive before and during menses. There can be a loss of milk while nursing and easily excited sexual organs. In the cardiovascular system, a key symptom is violent palpitation when lying on the left side, which is better by turning onto the right side. Respiratory symptoms include a sensation as if breath would leave the person when lying down, forcing them to get up and walk. Gastrointestinal symptoms are marked by being very hungry and unable to feel satisfied, remaining hungry even after eating. There is also sinking at the epigastrium and faintness in the stomach. Backache is intense, unbearable, across the suprasacral region and extends to the right natus and sciatic nerve. It is worse by rest and better on first moving. The spine is very sensitive to touch or pressure. Modalities show aggravation in the morning one day and in the evening of the next day. Symptoms are relieved by cold and cold drinks, rest, and lying down. This other types of lac remedies, including lac felinum, lac vaccinum coagulatum, and lactus vaccini flock. Comparison of mind symptoms includes anacard for morning hours forgetfulness, acid phos after sexual excesses, and medor where the patient forgets their own name, words, or initial letters.